Hello everyone, greetings from Johnson. Today we would like to introduce our piston filling machine. This one is work with air compressor. After you got it, you need to connect to the air compressors here and this. The part here is to separate water and oil. This bottom here is to control the amount of filling. After you adjust it, make sure you lock this wheel tight, and this bottom here, two buttons. This one is to control the inlet speed of air, and this one is to control the outlet speed of the piston. And here it comes with two filling noodles. This one is 8 millimeters and this one is 4 millimeters, smaller one. This machine, the fill note, is with a cover. So open the air compressor. You need to press down it. Here the sound of the air coming into the machine. Press it. Just like that. Very easy operation. Thank you for watching.